Welcome back. This is part 15 of the top 15 AI tools you must have in 2025. Smarter, faster, more powerful than ever. Let's jump in.
Powerful AI website you should know, part 158. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can create stickers with any image. Easily upload your photo here, then generate. 2 stickers will be generated from the photo instantly. You can easily download it. Powerful AI website you should know, part 159. Did you know if you go to this website, want to perfectly remove the background of an image with one click? Simply click here to upload an image. Wait for the processing to complete. And boom, the background is perfectly removed. You can download it easily. Powerful AI website you should know, part 160. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can create infographics of anything. First, select a template of your choice. Now, write about your project here. Click on Generate. In no time, you'll have a great infographic that's bound to impress everyone. Powerful AI website you should know, part 161. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can enhance text using AI. First, paste your text here. Then select the tone of voice, target audience, and language. If you have any important words, you can write them down. Now, hit Generate. Your text will be enhanced in no time. You can copy it easily. Powerful AI website you should know, part 162. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can do any type of data analysis through free AI. First, paste your data here and send it. Then you can ask any question. AI will tell you the correct answer. For example, I asked average score for each subject. He explained in detail. Powerful AI website you should know, part 163. Did you know if you go to this website, you can build almost anything here? I wrote here, food selling shop, and sent it. After receiving a reply from AI, I clicked Generate. Within a short time, AI built a website for me, even with code. Powerful AI website you should know, part 164. Did you know if you go to this website, here you will find almost all photo editing AI tools in one place. Here you will find image generator AI, enhance photo quality, background remover, objects remover, watermark remover, and many other useful photo editing tools. Powerful AI website you should know, part 165. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can generate professional and creative social media posts with AI. First, select a platform. Now here enter the details of what kind of post you want. Then select the tone of voice, approximate word, and if you want, you can turn on hashtags. Now generate. The post you want will be generated immediately. Easily copy it. Powerful AI website you didn't know existed, part 166. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can generate AI voices in more than 40 languages. First, select a language and write the script here. Then click here to listen.
Oh yes, the deep sea, nature's basement.
In Arabic,
الله وبركاته يا هلا والله.
Portuguese.
Hola, ¿cómo va su día?
Powerful AI website you should know, part 167. Did you know if you go to this website, here you will find 25,000 plus AI tools in 200 plus categories all in one place. Here you will find writing tools, image generation tools, video creation and editing tools, audio and voice tools, coding and development tools, social media tools, business tools, and more. And you can easily find what you need by searching here. Powerful AI website you should know, part 169. Did you know if you go to this website, it can detect any AI content? Paste the content you find suspicious here, then hit the scan button. Do human verification. After a while of scanning, the results will be presented to you. They say it's 100% AI generated. Powerful AI website you should know, part 170. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can write essays or academic papers in less than 1 minute. First, write the topic here. Then select the word count, type, style, and references. After a short wait, your academic paper will be ready. Powerful AI website you should know, part 171. Did you know if you go to this website, here you can generate images from text without any hassle. Simply enter the prompt of your choice here, then select the aspect ratio. Do human verification. Now hit Generate. A great image will be generated very easily. Click here to download. Powerful AI website you should know, part 172. Did you know if you go to this website, just search here and you will find all the best AI tools in any category. I searched for image generator. All the image generation tools came up. You can even find free tools here. Powerful AI website you should know, part 173. Did you know if you go to this website, this may be the best AI tool for writing academic papers. Because here you get a grammar checker, paraphraser, chat PDF, writing assistant, reference finder, essay writer, translator, and more, all in one place.
That's it for part 15 of the top 15 AI tools you must have in 2025. Which tool impressed you most? Share below and I'll see you next time.